Everybody, the DUI guy is back. Once again, we are doing our live stream where the lawyer reacts to popular videos that you all send in. Keep on keeping on. Bring them in, one and all. I am loving this. I have so many videos in my arsenal. It will probably make your head spin. I'm not exaggerating. I have so many videos. I probably have enough for the next, I don't know how many lives, honestly. Probably at least 30 or something like that. It's amazing. So thank you all for sending those videos. I'm going to keep reacting. This is what we do now, and you guys are loving it, eating up this content, so we're going to keep it up. So a couple of updates. We just hit not only 70,000, we actually had 71,000 subscribers. So here we are, 29,000 or 28.9 thousand or so to go to that silver play button. So I'm super excited, as you obviously can know. Sorry I didn't stream again. It's just been very, very, very busy. And I will be out of town on Thursday, so I will try to stream tomorrow if I can squeeze it in. But if I'm unable to stream tomorrow, then I will definitely stream next week. So unfortunately, it's only been like one a week. We've just been swamped, so I do apologize for not streaming more. Hey John, hey K22, News Now, Lipsia, Richard, GMAT, John. What happens if an attorney doesn't file? Okay, stop asking me legal questions. I'm not going to answer them. You have a question, email me. If you're serious about it, send me an email. I'm not responding to questions on stream. No free legal advice. The 5 trials. I had 5 trials set in June. I had one June 2nd, June 9th, June 11th, June 17th, and tomorrow, June 23rd. Tomorrow's, Wednesday. Every single one of those did not go. 3 settled in our favor, so we won 3. 1 we had to appeal, so hopefully that's going to come back and we'll be able to try it or settle it or whatever. And the last one got continued. There's a legal issue there. I think it's a very tribal case. The prosecutor knows it's a tribal case, and I can't get a trial to go, people. I can't get a trial to go, for better or for worse. I do have one set for July the 7th. July the 7th, so 2 weeks from tomorrow. I do have one. That one I think will go because I haven't heard anything one way or the other. And I actually do need to make a reminder for myself to do a couple of things on it. But I just can't get a trial to go, folks. I mean, whatever. I do have another one. My next one is the July 7th, and then I have another one July 8th, potentially. That one is brand new. I was not expecting that one. The judge just said it. We won't get into it because it's a very, very fresh case and I cannot talk about it. But if push comes to shove and we have some stuff, then there we go. Then I have another one July 16th. And my last one in July is on the 29th, but that one, I don't think that one's going to go. It's pretty much 100% not going to go. There's no way. I don't believe it. And then after that, August 2nd, that one should go. I anticipate that one will go. So with all that being said, let's just pop in the chat real quick. Hi, Mamonti. No questions. I'm not answering them. Good morning, kids. Hey, Rockchild. Katalin Sokashu from Romania. Wow, Romania in the house. Welcome, the great Cornholio. Good morning. My hair looks better when you let it get longer. I just got my hair cut yesterday. So, Dwayne Road. Good morning. GMAT. Wow, people. Okay, well. Thank you for coming, everyone. It's been great. Nobody likes my hair, so I'm going to sign off. I'll be back when my hair is grown out. No, I'm just kidding. Come on, guys. That's not cool. No, I'm just kidding. But okay, all right. So it's better when it's a little bit longer. I don't like dealing with hair. I like it when it's short. I don't have to mess with it. You know, a cowlick is very easy to take care of when you wake up with very short hair. I don't have to do anything or brush it or whatever. Hey, thin blue line Slayer. Okay, so remember that video we watched of was it Minnesota? White County. Oh my goodness. Sorry, it's been a short while. Anyway, you guys remember the individual, and he said that he would be happy for me to help him, and I think he's in the chat right now. That's shout out to Thin Blue Line Slayer. He is in the chat right now, boys. This is the guy. This is KK. He goes by KK because I can't pronounce his name. White Earth, Minnesota. Thank you. Yep, White Earth, Minnesota. This is the guy. It's you can't make this shit up. This is the guy. He's in chat right now. So shout him out, give him a holler, say hello. This is the guy. I got a subpoena yesterday. Nice, good for you. Grand jury. Have fun with that. Kim Berger, oh, you guys are more than welcome. I mean, if I can get a trial to go, I would hate for somebody to I drove 8 hours to see the DUI guy in action live, and, the trial settles the morning of. That would be really upsetting to me, too, because I don't want you to be wasting your time and stuff like that. But anyway, all right, so without further ado, let's get our screen capture going here. This is going to be our first video. Let me go ahead and make myself smaller, make this larger. This is our first video for today. Yeah, absolutely, Thin Blue Line Slayer. This was the chat just as much as it was me. I mean, this was everybody was in on this, helping each other out, and that's what life is all about, is helping people. I'm firmly convinced of that. If you chase the money, you will always lose. But if you chase wanting to assist people, you will always win. It's just the way the world works. If you always don't get what you crave. If you're craving something, you will never have it because you have a craving for it. So if all these lawyers that I could mention who are like, oh, I got a $500 here, I got a $200 there, and they're chasing that money, and we know who they are. Unfortunately, they will always lose because they're not in the right mindset, is what it is. They're not like, I want to help this person. They're like, I want to get what they have, which is the money, and then the help will come after. If you chase the help, I want to help this person, I'm going to help them, whatever it takes, and then you get compensation for it on top of everything. Well, that's nicer. I mean, obviously money talks, bullshit walks. I'm not saying I'm in it for free and then maybe they pay. That's not what I'm saying. The mindset has to be for the help. Now, if the mindset is there, the business will come. People will flock to you by the thousands just because they know you're a true, genuine, I'm here to help you, and I'm not like, hey, how much am I going to be able to make off this person, So, Teenage Dirtbag is a song. Yes, it is, HP 111. Yeah, I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Look it up. It's a classic. All right, without further ado, our first video. Dashcam video shows Arkansas State Trooper flip a pregnant woman's car. Wow. Okay, that's a title. Short video, 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Let's watch. So first off, hold on. Let's assess the situation. Let's back up. What is happening here? It looks like he officer is trying to pull over a vehicle. I believe I know the backstory to this. He officer tries to pull over this vehicle. Now, there's nowhere to pull over. You see there's a white line and there's a cement There's a cement wall. So it's a very, very bad place to pull over. So what is the lady doing? She is turning on her blinkers, the emergency, triangle, the red triangle in your car. She turned those on, and she slowed down. So she's going very slow, letting the officer know, hey, I'm going to pull over as soon as it's safe. It's not safe right here. That's what it says. Thank you so much, Blake Bailey, for the coffee. Great content. Reactions are great. Love the courtroom recordings. Keep it up. Thank you. All right. So in this first video, like I said, it looks like she's just trying to let the officer know that she is about to pull over. Thank you. Instead, what does the officer do? It's called a pit maneuver, when they bump the car and make it wreck.
And if they hit the inside wall.
This is horrendous. This is absolutely despicable.
Roll over, give me EMS start.
I had no idea she was pregnant. Jacksonville, Arkansas, last July, about a year ago. According to a lawsuit filed by Harper, she was going 84 in a 70-mile zone when State Trooper Rodney Dunn turned on his siren and flashed lights for her to pull over. Dashcam video appears to show her activating her blinkers and changing lanes to the right before the pit maneuver is exercised. Yeah, this is a straight-up lawsuit. God forbid, if she had a miscarriage because of this, I would file for at least $5 million, if not $10 million.
And if they hit the inside wall.
He could have killed the child that she was carrying, the fetus. This is unbelievable.
They roll over, give me EMS started.
This is what happens when police officers are poorly trained, by the way. Oh, there we go. After an initial emergency room visit made Harper believe her baby had died, her OBGYN picked up a heartbeat. Thank God. Her daughter was born the following year. Okay, that's good.
Come on out.
Oh, wow.
Right here. Come out this way. Can you come out? Yeah, hold on a minute. Can you get out your passenger door? I'm going to move this. Watch your head. Why didn't you stop? Well, this is where you...
Why didn't you stop? Because what?
Why didn't you stop?
Because I didn't believe it was safe, is what I heard. Did you guys hear that? I think it's just smoke. I don't think it's fire. This is... How much do I think she'll get, Kim? I would shoot for at least $1 million. I would shoot for at least $1 million. Maybe more. I mean, depending on her injuries. If her medical bills are like over 100,000, let's say, I would go for like $2 or $3 million. This is a like, honestly, in my book, it's a guaranteed victory. This type of case, and I could be completely wrong, but this is just ridiculous. I've never seen anything like this. The Arkansas driver's license manual urges motorists to pull to the nearest safest spot of the traffic lane. That's like every book in the universe, in every state, when police are exercising a pullover.
I got plenty of room right here. Are you the only one in the vehicle? Okay.
She's frantic. Oh, and she just said, "I'm pregnant." There it is.
You've got to pull over when we stop. It doesn't matter, ma'am. Come on out.
This
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out.
that officer deserves to be fired for his conduct. That's just ridiculous. That's just ridiculous. Does anybody know what happened to the cop, by the way? Xander, you know the system too well. Did he get a promotion? Did this officer get fired? Does anybody know? Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button. Like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, join on as a member. Lots of perks. Have you guys seen all the latest perks I showed you? Oh my gosh. Oh, he's not gonna go to jail. He's not gonna go to jail. There's no way in the world that this cop is going to jail. You guys can forget that. He's not. There's no way he's gonna serve a single second in jail for that. Okay. Our next video. Administrative leave. Nothing fired yet, I don't think. Wait, still on administrative leave? It's been a year, Kim. If he's on administrative leave, he's... wait, I see what you did there. He's on permanent administrative leave. You're not fired, but you can never come back. I love that. That's actually pretty hilarious. We're not firing you, but you don't have a job anymore here. Like that's the ultimate. That's like the ultimate backslap with the white glove. Like you don't have to stay here, but you can never come back. I don't know. You're not fired, but you can no longer ever step foot in this building. Qualified immunity, that's going to be an interesting one to overcome. I think you can overcome it pretty well, pretty easily, but I honestly, I would say this is one of those cases where it should be not a directed verdict, summary judgment. That should be a plaintiff's motion for summary judgment where the judge will grant the plaintiff's motion for summary judgment, and you just try the case on damages to the jury, and the jury only decides how much. Like liability is already decided by the court. Honestly, that's my prediction. Could be completely wrong, but if I've ever seen a liability and summary judgment on liability for a plaintiff is so hard to get in civil cases, and it's 10 times harder to get when cops are involved. But I have seen it done. It has been done. There was a case here in Kentucky by a very prominent lawyer. His name is Gregory Belsley. He's with Belsley, Bathurst, Bentley. They call themselves the 3 Bs. And he had one. It was the Woodcock case. I'm not at liberty to disclose because it's confidential how much they settled for, but let's just say it's a good sum. And that was a police shooting case where they killed an individual on railroad tracks who was completely unarmed, and he got summary judgment as a plaintiff, which is unheard of. He was going to get ready to try the case, literally just how much, and the defense settled. So hey, Mr. Robo. So, would I take her case? Sure. But I'm sure she has a lawyer by now. I mean, this case is a year old, and her statute of limitations is probably going to expire in like 38 days. But I 100% would take that case. 100,000, 100 billion, 100 million, trillion, quadrillion % I would take her case. So, yeah. Free Eric Brandt in the house. Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one is this one. I think it has a title. What's the title? Give me 1 second. Oh, man dies after being run over by police responding to his 911 call. Are you fucking kidding me? What? Let me read that again. Let me read that again, but slower. Man dies. Okay. After being run over, it happens, by police. Oh. Responding to his 911 call. What? What? He calls 911. Hey, I need some help over here. Okay. We're on our way, sir. Would you like a body bag with that? I'm sorry, come again? I did get a haircut, George. Omawaimu shinderu. Nani? Yeah, he's the Nani. You got that right, Mr. Subsubtism. Wow. Okay. 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 Let's. I'm done delaying it. Let's watch. It's quick. It's short. It's sweet. Not very sweet, but it's quick and short. 36 seconds long. Let me go ahead and minimize myself. Okay. There's no sound. Oh no. Wait. I missed it. Where hold on. Where was it? Pedestrian seizing. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm watching the wrong video. I apologize. Wait. It's a wrong video. They have the wrong video up there. Do you see the title? Okay, I'm not. I swear to drunk, I'm not God. Man dies after being run over by police responding to his 911 call. And then they have this video. Surveillance video depicts pedestrians seizing alleged marijuana. What? I thought when he like bent over or bent down right there, that's when the cop car was gonna show up and run him over. Ohio man dies after being run over by police responding to his 911 call. I need a video. Does anybody have the link? Does anybody have the link? I need the link. I'm gonna try and search for it. Give me a second. Dash cam video shows police officer running over. Oh geez, this is gonna be horrific, isn't it? Maybe we shouldn't watch it. I can't even find a video. They just hit me. Oh, wait. I think I found it. I think I found it. I think I found it, fam. I think I found it. Add source, screen capture. Let's make it large. Add source, screen capture. Here we go. You ready? Here he goes. I don't hear sound. Oh, he's on the he's on the ground. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, they redacted it. Thank God. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the sound? There's no sound. They just hit me. Yeah, there's no sound here. A man who died after being shot and then hit by the cruiser of Springfield police officer told 911 dispatchers he was laying in the middle of the road as police responded to the shooting. He was shot and was found lying there. I'm in the middle of the street. I'm about to die. And then to add insult to injury, they ran over him. Jeez Louise. He was flown to Miami Valley Hospital where he died from his injuries. And I guess here's the thing about this lawsuit. What was the proximate cause of his death, fam? That's a legal question. What was the proximate cause of his death? Did he die from the gunshot wound? Did he die from the injuries from being run over? Is it a combination of both? Which one? There's something called a superseding intervening cause in the legal realm. You guys don't have to know that, but that's the kind of stuff you learn in law school. A superseding intervening cause is something that could basically take over and cause the death or the injury that you have sustained and that you're suing for. So let's say, he could have survived the gunshot. Now you as the lawyer have to hire an expert to prove that the gunshot, where was the bullet? What organs did it penetrate? What is the likely rate of survival? Is it from 0 to 100? There's probably a scale that an expert can testify to that the man had an 80% chance to survive, if not, but for being run over, he had like an 80% chance of survival, or despite being run over, he would have been a dead man anyway. Anything is possible. Maybe it penetrated. Obviously, we know probably not the brain or the heart. He wouldn't have survived longer than 30 seconds. So maybe it penetrated the kidney, his spleen. Maybe it penetrated his stomach, which is a very survivable wound. I mean, anything is possible. Anything is possible. We don't know what injuries this man sustained. What injuries this man sustained as a result of the gunshot wound. But that would be up to the lawyer. Now it's the lawyer's job to prove. Now it's going to be the lawyer's job to prove that the man, if there's a lawsuit there, it will be the lawyer's job to prove that, but for getting run over, the man would have survived the gunshot wound and what percentage of survival that is. And then you can subtract, however much you want from the final total sum. Let's say it's a $5 million type lawsuit. Well, you would subtract maybe 20%, like $1 million, because chances of him dying from the gunshot wound is 20%. That's just like one way of doing it mathematically. It's not the only way. And maybe it will work. So anyway, let's go on to our next video, which is it's titled "Officer Trainee Awkwards His Way Through a DUI Arrest." All right, let's take a watch.
Possibly. So, pulled him over on Highway 70, failure to use blinker multiple times from here to basically where I stopped him. Open beer, not case, the cases are open, but can't tell if the beer's open. He's slurring his speech, and he admitted to smoking pot a couple of hours ago. So I'm going to pull him out, talk to him a little bit more. Yes, there is another passenger.
Marijuana. Okay, so he smoked marijuana, allegedly. Probably smells marijuana in the car.
Alrighty, sir. Do you mind if I ask you some more questions out here at the back of the vehicle? Yes, sir. I just want to talk to you, ask you some more questions, that's all. Yes, sir. Just questions on where you're coming from. Yeah, it's just for my safety, sir. I understand.
He looks a little off to me. What do you guys think? What do you think, chat? Talk to me, Chad. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel.
Yes, you are. I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle very nicely so we can talk at the back of the vehicle. About what? I just want to ask you more questions about where you're coming from. Where I'm coming from? Where you're coming from, and you mentioned that you smoked, a couple of hours ago. I just wanted to talk to you more about that.
Any disregard of showing me that part.
Okay, I just want to talk to you in the back.
Bro, honestly, I don't feel uncomfortable. I feel uncomfortable getting out of the car with you right now. You kind of seem like you are lying about what's going to happen if I get out of the vehicle.
You're lying about what's going to happen after I get out of the vehicle. Like, I know you're about to do a DUI investigation. I don't want you to do it. Basically, is what he's saying. Not a good thing to say. Not a good way of putting it, at least.
That's a crime. That includes me going to jail.
I never said that included you
I'll
going
pay
to
the
jail.
fine.
Okay. So right now,
Just be honest with me, bro.
right now it's a DUI investigation. Okay, you admitted to smoking marijuana. There's alcohol in the back. So I just want to ask you more questions about that. I need you to step out of the vehicle. Okay.
I'm not trying to bring any problems for you. You're trying to leave off.
Oh, man.
That's what it is.
Back over here, please.
Okay.
So again, sir, you said that you were coming from downtown. Where specifically downtown?
From Reds.
From Rad?
From Reds. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What were you doing at Rad?
I was hanging out with a friend.
Okay.
We went to school together.
Okay.
And gradually.
How long? What time did you go to Rad?
Why does that matter?
People are saying he looks stoned.
What time did you get there?
Maybe.
What time did you leave?
A friend from my school. We're hanging out at Reds.
What
Coming
time?
here? No, I don't want to tell you that. I'm coming here because I'm getting some to eat. My kid's mother she works here. I'm going to get some food.
Did you have any drinks at Rad?
And I don't.
Did
That's
you?
not what you put me over for, bro.
I told you right now it is a DUI investigation.
Because I didn't use my light signal, bro. I don't have a light. You
You
can say
failed
that.
to use the light.
Okay, I don't have a light. So if my
You
blinker
have alcohol in the back of the vehicle. You admitted to smoking marijuana
But that's
earlier.
not why you pulled me over, though, bro.
And
Okay, don't fight your case on the street. That's very dumb. See, he's fighting his case on the street. Don't ever do that.
let me, sir.
But alcohol's not the problem, bro.
Did you have anything to drink?
No.
Okay, so you
You didn't
had
pull me
nothing.
over because alcohol's a problem. You pulled me over because I didn't use my light signal.
Correct. And
You pulled me over because I didn't use my light signal. Do that in court. Don't do that on the street. You'll always lose.
You had slurred speech, and you admitted
That's your
to,
opinion.
and you admitted
That
to,
is your opinion.
you
That
admitted
is your
to
opinion.
smoking
Smoking
weed.
weed.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I did because I do smoke it legally, bro. I do. And I know because you smoked it. My name is Anthony.
Oh my God! Stop talking.
Has a video.
Oh,
I did
God.
admit to smoking marijuana. I smoked Angelo out. We advised Angelo, bro. I did admit to smoking marijuana, but you're
Stop trying to be your own lawyer.
Or because I was doing this, because I was doing that. I didn't use my light signal. Okay, guess what? Bro, I don't have a light signal. And if that's your problem, then take it to court. Take it to court. I'm not saying anything else.
Sir,
I am not saying anything else.
Did you know smoking marijuana is also considered DUI?
Okay, but you didn't pull me over because of that, bro. I admitted that to you. I admitted that to all of you. I'm not lying to you because I don't want problems, okay? Guess what? Okay, you know what? Just another individual happens to forget to use their light signal, bro. I'm sorry.
Sir, will you be willing to submit to a standardized
You
field
take
sobriety
me in front of
test?
a judge. You take me in front
Okay,
of a judge.
finally
and
he's-
You prove me guilty.
Yeah,
That's the way it works.
that's the way it
You
works.
prove me guilty.
Yes.
You didn't pull me over because I was.
But stop talking.
Or because I was
You're right, but stop talking. You're right, but stop talking.
Okay, cool. Okay, I get that.
Yeah.
Now, prove it in court.
Yes, and stop talking.
Prove it in court.
And shut up. There you go. Are you shutting up now? There you go. Oh my God, he's finally shutting up.
Admitted to me that you smoke marijuana. Okay.
Oh, hey, he's talking again.
Take me to court.
Okay, good.
Yes.
You are willing to submit?
Yeah. But I don't have. Look, that's my decision. Okay.
Oh God, he's talking again.
Decision.
Do you mind if we walk over here and
For what? For what? Tell me.
to do the standardized field sobriety test?
Consists of what?
He's gonna explain why.
I will
Well,
explain all
why?
of it to
Okay,
you.
my question is, why are you gonna,
Because your admission of smoking marijuana before you operated a motor vehicle.
okay,
That's why he's asking.
and what is this test gonna consist of?
He's in it.
I will explain that
No,
to you.
you can tell me that before I take that, because that is my right.
Just stop arguing.
You're gonna
Look,
test me of what?
look. At this point, I hope this video is an hour and 12 minutes long. We're only 7 minutes in, folks. I don't know what we have to look forward to. I've never seen this before. But at this point, if I were him, you know what I would do? I would just put my hands out and say, look, you're going to take me in? Take me in. I'm done talking to you. I'm not doing any more of your tests. Put the shackles on. Do whatever you got to do, and I will see you in court. He already had the first part down. Now get the second part. Don't be afraid of getting arrested, people. Getting charged is inevitable. You're going to get charged even if you do everything right 99% of the time. Getting charged is inevitable. Don't try to avoid the charges. It's just the cop is going to do whatever the cop is going to do. There's no way to win on the street. Get arrested. So what? You'll spend a few hours in jail. Sure, it sucks. But you're not going to talk your way out of it. The cop has already made up his mind. This guy's going in 100%. He's not going to let this guy go, or else the cop's going to lose his job. You just let a drunk person go. Or you put him, if he lets him hail a cab, that's the cop's ass. The cop has to make a choice. Am I losing my job, or is this guy going in? What do you think the cop is going to pick 10 times out of 10? 100 times out of 100? 1,000 times out of 1,000? Okay? You're not going to lose. I'm sorry, you're not going to win on the street. You're always going to lose. So the next words out of this dude's mouth should be, put the shackles on, bro. Whatever you want to do, I'm going in. I'll see you in court. And then that's it. And that's the end of the interaction. While you're not going to submit to the field sobriety test, officer, I respectfully refuse. I'm not going to be playing your dog and pony show. I'm sorry, I mean your field sobriety tests. I mean your Simon Says game. I mean the field sobriety tests. Refuse. There's no consequences in all 50 states except getting arrested. Don't be afraid of the arrest. If you fucked up, you're going in. Even if you didn't, you're going in. Unless the cop is just like super feeling really super nice that day and he really thinks you're not on anything and he was wrong. 0.01% chance that happens, basically. And then, after that, go to court and hire me if you're in Kentucky. Or let me know and I'll find you a good lawyer in your jurisdiction. I know DUI lawyers in all 50 states, in Canada, and parts of Mexico.
Of what? Please explain to me.
Horizontal gauge and nystagmus. Walk and turn. Okay, a walk and turn and a one-leg stand. Those are the three
Explain to me.
tests.
What is that?
I will explain to you. Do you mind if we
right now before I even?
I will explain to you the test over here,
Because
and then you can
dude, I
demonstrate
know my
to me.
rights, but please don't put me with someone that's in.
Please don't.
It's a yes or no.
Now he's starting to beg. Please don't. He's out of options. And his option is just stop fighting. Just stop fighting with them. Stop arguing. Shackles. Let's do it. No!
You instruct me, bro.
Why, dude? Why? Oh my God, why? Again, he's still of the belief that, okay, I am going to talk my way out of it. I'll show him that I'm innocent and whatever.
In between the line,
Just in between the line for me, please. No, not yet.
Just go in, fool.
So I'm gonna
Exactly,
ask you,
Robert
do you have
Lopez.
anything on you that is concerned without reaching for it? Any knives,
I have a
guns,
lighter in my pocket.
anything else that I need to be concerned with? No? Great. Do you mind turning around, place your hands behind your back? I'm just going to pat you down for weapons. Great. Interlace your fingers for me, please.
Standard procedure is just getting searched for weapons.
Okay, sir.
What's up,
So
Deuce?
for this first test that I'm going to...
What's up, Hugh?
It's called the horizontal
Paul,
gaze
Richie,
and the nystagmus test.
Brett.
Okay, so what I need you to do is I need to keep your feet to your side.
Hey,
just
Caroline.
Like this. Okay, feet together, just like this, and hands down at your side.
Okay.
Okay, can you do that for me right now, please?
Online?
No, you can just right there. Okay, hands down at your side.
Hey, Garrett.
And I'm going to present the stimulus, okay? And stay in this position, okay? And do not move. I'm going to present the stimulus. The stimulus.
Just look forward.
Focus your eyes on the stimulus is the tip of my pen. With your eyes and your eyes only, I need you to follow the pen. Do you understand? The tip of the pen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your eyes and your eyes only.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Okay.
It's on the left side.
Keep following it with your eyes.
Sir. So I follow it. It's on the right side of me. It came back to the middle.
He's like
With
blinded.
your eyes.
I need you to follow.
Notice how the eyes are jerking, like they're doing this. I think he's on something. They're not doing very smoothly. Look at. Oh wow! Did you see that nystagmus? That was some nystagmus in there. Look at that. Look at that very closely. Watch those eyes. Look at that. Look at the eye doing this. He should be holding it a little bit longer. He might not be at that pass yet. Watch the eyes very closely. Right there.
I feel it, and I'm just I'm trying to be obnoxious, but I do feel it going left to right, right to left.
I do feel it. Is he talking about the drugs or is he talking about the eyes? The stimulus. Whoa, that's okay. That's some serious nystagmus there. I will say that. I can see that the eyes jerking. I don't think the officer is doing the test properly, to be completely honest. But
Like kind of right in my eyes.
if done properly, you could use it in court. But I do see
Your eyes
nystagmus.
and your eyes only.
I feel it, bro. It's going up.
I feel it. I feel it. I feel your finger, bro. I feel your finger.
Lights were blinding me, bro.
Okay.
I don't really have good sight at night, and I went to.
Don't forget to like this video. There's 65 people. I'm sorry, 140 people and only 65 likes. Come on, fam. What the hell? Do you not like me?
It's going down. It's at my nose.
As somebody said, like, don't you hate when he begs for likes? I'm not begging. I'm just frustrated. Like, are you kidding me?
Hang out for a second.
Why are you here if you're not liking this stuff? Are you just like popping your head in? I mean, whatever. I really don't care. But I like to get likes on the video. Like it, dislike it, do something. Don't just sit there, you know, pick a side or whatever. Hulk smash that like button, folks. I appreciate that, brother. Thank you, DSS. If you are not free to leave, is it safe to assume that you're in custodial arrest? Yeah. Under arrest, you do have certain inalienable rights. Maybe.
You have time?
I do. Okay, sir.
It does help support my channel, Mind Flaw, but I'm not like, oh, come on, you guys.
Use this line right here.
Come on, you guys, please, pretty please with a cherry on top like this. That's begging. I don't think I've ever begged for likes. I just kind of like snap you guys into action, yes. But I'm not like, come on, you guys, pretty please with a cherry on top. Can I get one more like? I remember that there was this one girl on Twitch, and she was like streaming for an hour. Do you guys remember this video? She was streaming for like an hour and a half, and she's doing like raising money for herself, basically. And she was like, at the end of the hour, she looked and she saw like 0 donations, and she like exploded. Like, are you fucking kidding me? Like, not one donation? Come on, you poor broke bastards! Like, give me some money. Do you remember that one? What's up, red, white, and blue? Do you remember? Actually, I'm gonna pause this for just a second. I want to find her. Twitch streamer begs for donations. This one's actually hilarious. I think it's her. Begs for subscribers, whatever it is. I think it's her. Demands viewers to donate. Is that the one?
So it seems like this type of stuff is just...
Where's the actual video? I don't want to hear. No, was it her? I can't remember if it was her or not.
Because I'm not asking you for a large financial contribution. If it costs $20 to sub, $20 is quite a bit of money. $20 is you can get a full meal for $20. And the difference of $20
is that her?
Eating a meal is in that $20. Like, that's where it is. But a sub is $5. At maximum, in whatever your currency is, it's maybe $10.
That's begging.
And it doesn't matter how broke you are. If you have time to watch Twitch, you have $10, truly. If you don't have $10, you probably don't have time to watch Twitch because you should be working. You should be trying to earn money. It's not a ton. It's not like a ton.
It's not a lot of money.
So being like, I'm broke, I can't afford to sub, that doesn't really track. What you mean to say is, I'm so irresponsible with my money, I can't support the entertainment that I enjoy.
Now, first off here, it's pretty bold of you to call this entertainment in the first place.
Yes.
How is sitting here begging people to give you money
yes.
entertainment? I don't
yes.
know how anyone could enjoy that stream. And second of all here,
yeah, this is gross.
Horrible analogy.
This is cringe.
$5 to $20, and she sat here giving you money when you're streaming on a platform that allows free entertainment.
No, and I have no idea, but it's fun to think about. That's so toxic, especially when people are losing their jobs. It really isn't.
You're toxic, lady.
It really isn't toxic to ask for subs when you're streaming. And if you believe it is, then I imagine that you simply don't understand how this platform works. And I
wait. No, I do know how this platform works. I go on Twitch to watch my favorite streamers. I can watch for free. Sometimes you have to follow in order to chat. But if you don't want to chat, you don't want to donate, you don't want to do anything, you know what you do? You just sit there and watch for free. That's what Twitch is, lady. Free streaming. Ha! Have you thought about that? Subscriptions are an option for people who want to support you. If they don't feel like supporting you, then fuck off. You're not getting any support. Jeez. Ugh. I'm like grossed out by this.
The difference between this type of Twitch streamer and actual Twitch streamers when they ask for subscription. They should feel the need to give her $5. It's crazy.
I'm unemployed, so basically all my money goes to bills.
I'm unemployed. Please give me money.
Yeah. It's $5. It's really like no one's gonna convince me that what I'm saying.
Wait, what? Oh, hold on. Entitled Twitch streamer demands. Is this another one? Is this another one? Entitled Twitch streamer. Oh, that's the one I was thinking of. Okay. There it is. Thank you, Tall Will Triumph. That's the one. You're right. That's the one I'm thinking of. You got it. That's the one.
$5
there it is.
a month. How do you have hours of time to watch me and not $5? Alright, everyone in the chat's making me depressed with all their sad sob stories about how their life is over and they can't afford $5 a month.
The woman you've just seen berating her audience for not giving her enough money on Twitch is named Bad Bunny, and she's pretty infamous for saying...
She's definitely bad. I don't know about the bunny part.
Free entertainment is available to you. It's because other people actually provide money so you can be a cheap ass. That's it. Other
Oh
people
my
provide
god,
money.
so cringe.
They see like a thing that
Oh
they support,
god.
a form of entertainment they want to support, and then you
Like I seriously, I can't shake
don't-
these
that's the reality of it, period.
goosebumps going down my
Period.
back.
If you're
It's
watching
disgusting.
Twitch as a non-donating non-sub, you are.
I can't watch this. I'm sorry. Oh, I just remembered it. Ugh. All right, back to the video.
This white line
Woo!
here.
Wow, this is so bad.
Step on that white line for me, please.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
Okay, step on the house. I'll explain.
explain here in a second.
Twitch bitch should be her name.
Take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot, heel to toe, just like this. As I'm right here. Okay? Can you do that for me now?
Wait, can I?
You're going to take. I will explain those.
Oh my god.
Right foot in front of my left foot.
Somebody asked for my Twitter earlier.
Okay, and keep your hands down at your side.
This is my Twitter.
Just like this, and stay in this position until I instruct you
to do otherwise.
You understand? Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on this white line. Okay? Once you get to your 9th step, keeping that lead foot on that white line.
Okay.
You're going to take a series of small turns. Okay? Please go back to the position that I instructed you to.
You're going to instruct me?
Yes.
Take a series of 9 turns and what?
I need you to go back to this position and stay in this position. Hands down at your side. Hands down at your side. Okay? You're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on this white line. Once you get to your 9th step with that lead foot, keeping that lead foot on the white line, you're going to take a series of small turns and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. I will demonstrate the turn a little bit later for you, okay?
Y'all are missing out if you don't have DUI guy only cans.
Okay.
What is
Let me finish.
wait. What is only cans? I have heard of OnlyFans. That's the obvious one. And then there's this meme one called Only Pans, and it's like it's all nothing but pans. What is Only Cans? Is that another meme on the thing? Is that another meme? Only for just 7 cents a day. Yeah, you got it, Red Rex. What is Only Cans? Oh, okay. It's just a joke. I could have sworn that's like, dude, you need to work for SNL, Garrett. Recycle them cans. Hey, I got a couple of cans right here, baby. Only cans. Only cans. Oh my god. As a pansexual, OnlyPans is way hotter than OnlyFans. You fucking killed me, bro. You killed me. You killed me. Why did you do this to me? Oh my god, that is so fucking brilliant. Oh my god, dude, that's like a triple entendre. Those are so rare. Oh my god, Ben Stanky. I have to share it with you guys just so you know why. You may not find it as funny. I'm the master of corny jokes, and I love them. This is what Ben said. Oh my god. Oh my god. Because the official definition of a pansexual is someone... Oh, oops. Sorry. Oh crap. Where'd it go? Ah! Okay, hold on. Not limited in sexual choice with regard to biological sex, gender, or gender identity. And he said, only pans. He doubled down, and that's like a triple down, for reals. I mean, this is amazing. This is. I'm gonna use this just so you know, because pansexual, only pans. This is amazing. This is by far the most amazing comment I have seen this month. Ben Stanky, you win whatever award that you were looking for, my brother. You just won. You won the internet for June. You won the internet for June, the month of June. Just letting you know right now. You won the internet for June. Straight up, bro. Solid. This is solid gold. This needs to go on your tombstone. That's how good it is. Okay. Whew. All right. My man. Wow. Okay. Mike Fox, thank you for the $5 dono. Let's keep watching.
Can you please go back to this position? Stay in this position.
I'm listening.
When you're taking your 9 heel-to-toe steps, you're
Mike
going to be
Fox.
looking down.
Can you show me?
I will, sir.
Kim, are you in here?
Please.
Kim, can you share my email with him?
Looking down at your feet, counting out loud each step.
1 through 9.
Counting out loud each
1
step.
through 9. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Counting out loud each step.
1 through
Yes.
9. Right?
Okay. When you count out loud each step.
Okay.
Okay. Head looking down at your feet,
Looking at my feet.
and you're going to count them out. And you're going to count them out loud. Okay.
1 through 9.
Once you start this test, do not stop. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to demonstrate for you right now.
Hold on.
Sir, I
I don't fully understand.
Okay.
Once I get to 9, what do I do?
That's what I'm going to show you right now.
Okay.
Can you please go back into this position? So, keep your hands down at your side. Okay.
I'm supposed to look down, count to 9.
Yes. So I'm going to
All
instruct
the
you.
way.
I'm going to demonstrate those instructions that I just gave. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to take 3 steps, but you're going to take 9. Okay. I'm going to take 3 for demonstration purposes.
Well,
Okay.
hold on. Because I'm not done asking questions. What exactly are you looking for?
What exactly are you looking for?
Finish giving you the instructions. Can you please go back to this position? Okay. So this
What are you
is
looking
it's
for,
gonna
bro?
look like.
Like, tell me what you're looking for so I don't give it to you. You know, I can respect that.
3. Again, once you get to your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps like this
Turn around.
to turn around on that same line, and you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3. Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
I'm gonna
Sir.
count the toe, 9
Yes.
steps,
I need
turn around, and go
9 steps back, sir. I need you to stay in this position.
Okay.
Left foot on the line.
I'm just trying to make sure I'm doing everything
Yeah,
correct.
left foot on the line, right foot in front of the left, heel to toe, hands down at your side. Do you understand these instructions?
So this is 1, right?
This is so bad.
2. You told me I can look down, right?
Yes, sir.
3.
Oh boy. Oh, this is bad.
4. 5. My 5. 6. 7. 8. 'Are you okay with that, my brother? That's nine.
This is just so
You
bad.
said I couldn't take over. Okay, we're gonna let my right foot be number 1. Okay? Number 1.
He's incriminating the crap out of himself. So unnecessary. Just stop doing it, man. Seriously. Just stop.
That's 3. You can open up right here, right? This is gonna be 4.
Sir, complete the test.
That's number 4, right? Okay? Number 4. That's number 5. Do you comply? Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Am I heel to toe?
Am I heel to toe?
I think, right? Are you
Oh my god.
Are you counting?
I'm counting. Are you
Are
counting?
you counting?
What number do you have?
So, are you done with the test, sir?
What number are you on? I love this guy, but he's an idiot. I love this guy, but he's an idiot. Don't ever do the test. That's the only reason I'm calling him an idiot, by the way, because he's doing the tests and he's doing the dog and pony show. Never do the dog and pony show. Never do the dog and pony show.
Where's your name, officer?
Officer Arnold.
You?
Officer Harrison.
Harrison and Arnold. I used to watch Arnold on the Nickelodeon channel.
Alrighty, sir, for this next test, what I need you to do is, again, put your feet together like this, arms down at your side, and stay in this position until told to do so.
Before I do anything, my question is to you. What is your standard sobriety field test?
These are the standard.
The number.
These are the
How many-
standard field sobriety tests.
How many pull my pay? I don't
Sir,
well,
sir,
I'm
hey,
asking you.
I need you to do this. Okay?
Okay.
Feet together, arms down at your side.
On the straight line?
That's fine. Stay in this position until told to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
For this next test, you're gonna lift whichever leg of your choice, left
Stop.
or right. It does not matter.
Stop.
Okay? You're gonna lift it approximately 6 inches above the ground. Foot parallel to the ground. Foot is not pointed up or down. It is parallel to the ground. Keep both legs straight.
Okay.
You're going to look down at that elevated foot, and you're going to count out 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you have any
You
questions?
didn't even count to a specific number.
I'm giving div
You
inspiration.
count to a specific number, and I'll count to the same specific number.
No, you count.
Please.
Sir.
No, you count.
I do.
You need to count. No, you count.
Understand the instruction, but
I don't. You count.
you are not
No, you
obligated
count.
To a specific number.
What is
These
this?
are the standard field sobriety tests.
I don't understand what's happening right now.
Specific number, then tell you when to stop.
I will tell you when
No,
to
you
stop.
count.
I've explained the instructions.
That's not fair, dude.
That's not fair. Then stop doing it if it's not fair.
And after 5, what?
He's gonna tell you when to stop.
I keep counting. You keep counting until
For
Oh.
5 seconds?
so. Sir, are you able to perform these tests? Okay.
I will give you my guarantee. Yes, I can perform for 5
Okay.
seconds.
Then back in the position. You need me to go over the instructions?
No, you count.
Okay, feet together, hands down at your side. You're going to elevate whichever foot of your choice, left or right. It does not matter. You're going to elevate that foot approximately 6 inches above the ground, keeping that foot parallel to the ground.
Sure you can, but they're not very effective.
Your foot is not
DSS.
Parallel. Legs are
I would
straight.
call
You're
the
gonna
pol-
look down at
not
that elevated
call the-
foot, and you're gonna count
Okay, who
1001,
is? All right,
1002,
you're getting muted, bro.
1003,
You're
and
going
so
in
on until I
timeout.
tell you to
Stop spamming the
Do you
chat.
understand these
You're annoying.
instructions?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You tell me when, sir.
You may begin.
You're a poopy face. No, you're a poopy face. Yeah, that's literally they're playing a game and it's annoying.
1001.
It's cringy and it's just wrong on so many levels.
2004. 2005. 2006. 2007. 2008. I touched the foot with my other foot.
Keep going.
From
I give up.
From 8?
This guy's hopeless.
Please.
Keep going.
2009. 2010. 2011. 2012.
Okay, you can stop and relax, sir.
You got good friend?
I like it.
I'll get one of those shit. I'll do that with some. No, you don't.
Alrighty, sir. So can you do me one more favor? Can you turn around? Yeah, can you turn around for me?
For what?
I need you to turn around for me. For
There we go. There we go. Here comes the
being
arrest.
arrested for driving while the influence of intoxication and/or drugs.
Okay. All right. Finally. All right. Is there more, or is this the end? Let's skip around. Let's go to the station. They're searching his car because they have probable cause to search because of the smell of marijuana, is what they're going to argue. Then he goes to the jail. He's going to the bathroom.
Requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood.
That's the implied consent being read to him. Let's see what he says.
After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician.
Yeah, the average sober person cannot do these tests.
Or technologist who is employed by the hospital. Or
yes, that is my Twitter at the top.
Choosing to perform the additional chemical test.
Don't forget to like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and join as a member if you're so inclined. Lots of content, lots of secret content.
Say yes or no. I don't want to do anything.
Probably cause for arrest, yeah. Probably cause for search.
Okay, so I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license, or non-resident operational privileges for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving while under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to be tested. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'll check it out, QMAD, bro. It's on my list now.
With that in mind, you agree to take our test?
I don't want to do anything unless I have legal representation presented.
So yes or no, are you refusing to take our chemical test?
What do you mean, yes or no?
It's a yes or no question. Are you refusing to take the chemical test?
I don't want to do anything unless I have legal representation presented.
So we're going to take your actions as a refusal, correct?
I mean, if you only have marijuana in your system, look, some people are asking, he's high on marijuana more than likely because they smelled marijuana. He admitted, obviously, to smoking marijuana. The cop smelled marijuana. He knows it's marijuana. I have no idea why this cop is offering him a breath test. Maybe he thinks, it could be both. Like, he's just checking to make sure there's no alcohol in his system, which is fair, you know, whatever. Whatever you got to do as the cop, do it. But if all you have is weed and you do blow and you blow 000 and you're clearly on something, they're going to ask for a blood test anyway. So still, I would say just refuse. There's no point. I mean, as soon as you blow 000, they're going to be like, well, I feel like you're on something, so would you submit to a blood test? No, I will not. Well, then it's a refusal anyway. So why give them one but not the other? I wasn't on alcohol. Well, he was on something else. Now we have confirmation it wasn't alcohol. You're helping them. You're helping them. You just gave them a 000 when you're on something else. That's helping them. Now, if you have absolutely nothing in your system, nothing, and you haven't had any potential, like, you know, poppy seeds. If you eat like poppy seeds on something, sometimes poppy seeds get sprinkled on your food. Poppy seeds can come back positive for opiates. You know, watch for that. If you had poppy seeds, that's one example. There's some other stuff. You know, if you smoked marijuana 2 weeks ago, that may come up, you know, and you may not remember. And as soon as you submit, you just gave them free evidence. Even if it's it's like 1 nanogram per milliliter, it'll come back positive for THC. They're going to prosecute you in many jurisdictions. All right, Libin, you're going bye-bye. Everybody say bye to Libin. Bye, Libin. Bye. Stop spamming. Ed Davis. Okay. Kip, thank you for the coffee. have I reviewed the one you sent? No, not yet. I'm not reviewing them on my own. I just have way too many, Kip. I'm sorry. I have like, I think 55 currently. And if I do 3 each time I stream, I mean, I might be set for the rest of the year. I'm not going to lie. And there's still more incoming every day. So, probably not the rest of the year. But like so far I've been doing it once a week. And if I do 3 a week, 55, let's call it 60. Divided by 3, that's 20. I have enough for 20 weeks, for like the next 20 weeks. I'm going to be doing more than that, but I'm definitely set probably through the end of summer and most of fall. So I'm good. Ben Stanky's trying. You're trying too hard now, Ben. You're trying too hard. But all good. His closing argument, then the verdict. I'll definitely check it out eventually. It's on my list. It's on my list. But yeah, happy Pride, bro. It's on my list to do. It's on my list, Kip. So I'll get around to it. Thank you for the coffee dono again. I mean, I think that's it. I think this is it, right? More implied consent stuff. Maybe Miranda warning.
For a hearing, you may request.
Yeah. Right. All right, and I was getting searched. I mean, that's it. This is the end of the video. Okay. So we did our 3. We had some fun. We learned some stuff. We met some cringy bitches. I mean, my God, some of these that they do, it's just like, ugh. It's cringe. It's absolutely cringe. Some of these women who, I'm sorry, I have to say this, okay? They're whoring themselves out on Twitch because they wear like the skimpy outfits and the skimpy shorts. What was that one? Do you guys remember the one that was doing the little pool on like the inflatable unicorn or whatever the heck it was? Oh my God, inflatable something. It was like a pool. It starts with an A. Help me out, chat. I'm sure there's somebody who like Amaranth. Yes. Oh my God, you guys have to check this stuff out. You can't make this stuff up. This is real. This is real. This is real stuff. Amaranth. She's banned again? Oh, finally she got banned. Good. I'm very happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that she got banned. She deserves it. Let's see. Twitch TV, Amaranth. Oh my Lord. Let's see if I can find. I want to show you guys. There it is. Okay, here's one. Here's one.
On like a YouTube channel.
Here's one that she's done. It's just like a short clip. I have to show you guys. Like this is ridiculous. Watch this. You guys ready? You guys are not ready for this. Look at that. Look at this girl. Just whoring her body out on Twitch for money. She's got a sub goal at the top there. She's got a... Look at this.
Type of setup.
I mean, this is just pathetic.
Legendary Phantom, thank you for gifting us up.
She probably has so many talents that she's not even exploring just because she's just showing her body to the world. What a waste of talent. Don't do it. Don't whore yourself out on YouTube or YouTube and Twitch. I guarantee you have many hidden talents that you probably never explored. You're beautiful, you're funny, you're eccentric, you're obviously not afraid of an audience. Do something more productive. Look at that. She had 22,500 subscribers. That is at least, this girl is making 100K a month. doing this. That's why she's doing it. She thinks it's free money where all she's doing is embarrass. That's $112,500 a month. That's Pickle Rick for sure. And look what she's doing. Like all the large donations or whatever she gets, she name on forehead. See, 200 if you give me 200 subs, I'll put your name on Pickle Rick's forehead. I mean, she's shopping for simps. You know what a simp is? It's just a simple guy. For 50 subs, you get a blow-up balloon. For 20 subs, you get Pokemon on net, whatever that means. For 10 subs, you get your name on my body. For 5 subs, you put a sticker on the wall. And every sub, you get a name on... Oh, every sub gets the name on Pickle Rick. I'm sorry, 200 subs, she puts the name on her own forehead. I thought she meant like Pickle Rick's forehead. No, for 200 subs, she will write your name on her forehead. Wow.
We're gonna write that right here, I guess. Legendary Phantom.
It's just depressing. It's just depressing. And she does other stuff too, like dancing e-girl. Yep, there it is. See, I mean, it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing to everyone involved. I'm glad Twitch banned her. I'm glad Twitch banned her. She doesn't deserve a channel. Look at this. I mean, it's nothing but her showing off her tits. And I don't get it. I really don't get it. I don't get it, fam. I mean, I get it, but I don't get it. You know what I mean? Whatever. All right. I'm getting off my soapbox now. God bless you. Just do your thing. Whatever. I'm not going to be able to change her. Or every other e-girl. One other very famous one. You guys probably know it. Help me out, chat. Let's see if I can remember this. It's like going to a digital strip club. You're exactly right. Tits get clicks. You're right, Brett. You're absolutely right. What's this one? Her and Charlie. Charlie is another streamer. He goes by something zero. I forget on YouTube. I used to watch him a lot. Now I just don't have the time for him anymore. During the pandemic, I got into him. He's really freaking funny. Charlie is really funny guy. He went toe to toe with this one e-girl who came back. Belle Delphine. Yes, that's the one. You got it. So, Belle Delphine, if you guys are at all familiar, Penguin Zero. Yep, that's him. Penguin Zero. I love Penguin Zero. I actually emailed him one day, and he never got back to me. So if anybody wants to reach out to Charlie, a.k.a. Penguin Zero, and be like, hey, man, the DUI guy wants to talk to you. If you got to connect with Charlie, hook a brother up. Like, for real, I want to talk to this guy. I think he's the shit. I think he's funny. I think he's hilarious. He swears like no other, so I don't know how he makes money on YouTube because I think they demonetize you if you swear too much. Maybe not, I don't know. But Belle Delphine is this girl right here. She's the one that basically, hold on, I'll show you. She's the one that basically, and she's back. She was gone for a while, I think probably spending all the money she made from all these simps. Belle Delphine made all her money basically catering to simps, playing video games. This is her right here. This is Belle Delphine. She may not look like much. She may look like a cute little bitty, whatever. In reality, I've listened to this girl talk. That's how she got her fame. She sold her bathwater. Don't be fooled. This creature is so intelligent and so cunning. She is a mastermind of human psychology. I don't know how she got to that level at such a young age, because I think she started streaming at like 15 or 16 years old. So like all these pedophile types were probably watching her and all that from the internet, you know. But she never showed anything. To this day, I don't think there's a single nude photo of Belle Delphine anywhere on the internet, and God bless her for that. So she's a simp hunter. And now she's over 18, and I think she might be 19 or 20. And she is very, very, very popular with the simps. Very popular with the simps. And it is a date just. Joe Kunch. Good eye. Did she really, Kelly Adams? Oh, I had no idea. And I believe she does have an OnlyFans, but I don't think there's anything on it. I've never checked. I don't care enough about this creature. Again, she's extremely cunning, extremely smart. She understands human psychology like no one I've ever seen at that age. I mean, she's been training for how old is she, 20? She's been training for like 18 years. She did sell her soul to the devil, no question there. But I don't know how we got on this topic. It must have been, the whole begging. We started with Larry begging for likes to streamer begging for likes to e-girls, and now we're on the ultimate e-girl. She is, remember Box from, okay, this is going to be the test of time. Who remembers Box from 4chan? You guys remember Box? I'm dating myself now. Do you guys remember Box, who was named like Queen of the internet? Who remembers Box and know what I'm talking about? A simp is a simple guy. Yeah, she's set for life, no question. Joe Kuntra, you remember Box. This is Box. Let me see if I can find her. She was named, or not Box. I'm sorry. No, what was her name? Queen of 4chan. What was her name? Not Boxy. Sorry. Boxy, not Box. Box is a League of Legends guy. No. I love Box. I will never talk smack. I love Box. He actually played chess with what's his name? He was being trained by Hikaru Nakamura in chess. No. Sorry, wrong. Boxy. Boxxy. Boxy was the original. Oh my gosh, you guys! Oh, I'm about to take you down memory lane. This is from like 2006. This is Boxy. Okay, you ready for this? You're not ready for this.
We'll find her. I know we will.
Because she went MIA. She went MIA, missing in action, for like 15 years. Here we go.
Who is Boxy? Boxy is the name of a user on both YouTube and the popular anime forum Gaia Online, who was both the source and cause of an internet sensation in January 2009.
My name is Boxy, and it's been a while since I made a new video.
Over the course of 2 days, the Boxy phenomenon would cause so much traffic that it would momentarily bring down one of the internet's most popular websites.
I don't normally talk like this. I'm normally like all over the place like I am right now, but it's a calmer voice most of the time.
But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's look back. On December 27, 2008, a YouTube video entitled 4 Addy from Boxy was added to the site IamBored.com. It contained an embed of a hyperactive cam girl in standard YouTube style, but there was something else to it. She was oddly mesmerizing. Within 24 hours, the comments page on the I Am Bored entry would go epic, with over 175 comments across 8 pages. The video embed disappeared, only adding to the curiosity around Boxy. By the first week of January, screen grabs of the video began popping up on the image board 7chan, eventually infecting sister site 4chan. Within hours, threads about Boxy had taken over most of
The Queen. She was named the Queen of B.
Flame wars erupted between the Boxy baiters and the Boxy haters, both noobs.
Both
Boxy
noobs.
fans trolled 4chan professing their Boxy love, while Boxy haters planned anti-Boxy activities in order to counter the invasion. This attack would eventually bring down 4chan. Like a fight in a bar, the activity soon attracted the attention of the internet at large. Who was this Boxy Babe? Within days, Boxy Babe rose to be the month's #1 most subscribed account on YouTube.
Wow.
Boxy was a polarizing figure whose videos seemed to embody all that people hate about the internet. The speed of her spread was almost unprecedented. She was infectious, and became the internet version of a Ponzi scheme. The conditions that created the civil war on 4chan would give rise to two self-organizing groups, Operation Valkyrie on one hand, and the Center for Boxy Control and Restriction on the other. Operation Valkyrie searched far and wide to find as much information as possible about Boxy, hacking her web accounts. Meanwhile, the CBRC looked to thwart the efforts of Valkyrie.
Ed, embrace it.
Information on Boxy, including fake accounts on Twitter and YouTube. By the time her second video came out, the image board 4chan was in an all-out civil war. Whether they intended to or not, Boxy became a meme. It caught the attention of the non-4chan civilian internet. Suddenly there were hundreds of blog posts about Boxy. In trying to suppress the Boxy phenomenon, the haters had brought more attention to both the meme and the war. Eventually the CBRC would have no choice but to go nuclear. While Boxy threads still appear on 4chan, the rest of the internet doesn't pay much attention to her anymore. But to dismiss the transient nature of Boxy is to miss the point entirely. The story of Boxy is one of conflict within a community, and of the many diverse opinions found on every slice of the internet. While some see it as destructive, difference of opinion is what creates the friction of life. Difference of opinion is what brings us the lulls.
Yeah.
We hope that one day Boxy will resurface and that some of our questions can be answered. But in the meantime, she will live on as one of the most prolific, unintentional trolls of our time.
Then, like, you peoples were all like, you was trolling! And I was like, I am not trolling! I am Boxy, you see?
Yep. That's Boxy. She was the original Queen of the Simps. And I think very, very unintentionally so. Like, she didn't mean to. And then these other female stars kind of followed suit. And yeah, that's basically what it is. So that was the original. That was the birth of probably. Nobody knew we needed that video, but now we know. Exactly. You guys now know. I think Boxy made a resurgence. Boxy is back. I think there was like a... She made a resurgence in like 2000... She made a resurgence. Hold on. What's up, Wayne? No, Boxy has fallen off the earth. Boxy YouTube, I guess. Boxy. This is actually her. This is from 2013. A New Hope.
Oh, hello.
Okay, now she's trying too hard, I think. Her last video is from 4 years ago. What's it like to be a YouTuber? And then she hasn't posted in like 4 years. So yeah, her channel is pretty much dead. She's only got 319,000 subscribers. So just email me, Kip. Plot twist. My name is the DUI guy. I used to be Boxy. If you put on makeup, you'll be able to tell, right? Google is probably calling her a celebrity because she was. She accidentally turned into a celebrity. Like she celebrityed herself up on total accident, and I don't think she meant to. I really don't think she tried, but then she had no idea that she would become so popular so quickly. And Caroline said he's adding them to the list. He did his 3. Yeah, I'm done. I'm adding. I'm done for the day. So, all right, fam. That's fine, George. Whatever. Just send me the email. Thank you guys so much for coming. I had a wonderful, wonderful time today. It's been a great stream. We will definitely be back with some more content. I'll try and stream tomorrow. I make no promises. Tomorrow is extremely busy, but I'm going to try and stream if I can. But if not, I will try and stream Thursday. And if that doesn't happen, I'll definitely be back on Tuesday, okay? So thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Summer is here. Enjoy summer. Go to the pool. Go swimming. Have fun. And I will see you next time. Peace out.